tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties. In Maryland, Dorchester, Inland Worcester, Maryland Beaches, Somerset and Wycomico, and the following counties. In Virginia, Accomack, Brunswick, Caroline, Charles City, Chesapeake, Dinwiddie, Eastern Chesterfield including Colonial Heights, Eastern Essex, Eastern Hanover, Eastern Henrico, Eastern King and Queen, Eastern King William, Gloucester, Greensville, James City, Lancaster, Matthews, Middlesex, New Kent, Norfolk Portsmouth, Northampton, Northumberland, Prince George, Richmond, Southampton, Suffolk, Surrey, Sussex, Virginia Beach, Western Chesterfield, Western Essex, Western Hanover, Western Henrico including City of Richmond, Western King and Queen, Western King William, Westmoreland and York, and the following counties. In North Carolina, Bertie, Camden, Chilwan, Eastern Currituck, Gates, Hertford, Northampton, Pasquotank, Perquimans and Western Currituck. At 8 p.m., the center of tropical storm Isaias was located by a NOAA
That happened.